What do you mean I missed it? Yo, it's Ryan, the Smart Web Tutor. And no, you didn't miss it. They're still going to be doing this holiday cash flow challenge. It's on the third day. It starts tonight with the third night, right? This is the third night. It's like the 6 nights of Christmas right here. We got the 6 nights of Christmas. They say it's a 5-day challenge. I don't know why they call it a 5-day challenge, but they got 6 nights, all right? They got 6 days of challenge. People coming out, teaching their methods, right? What they would do to get some quick cash for the holidays. Some methods that, some of these methods most of you haven't even heard of. They're just telling you how they do it, how they make that extra cash, and you're not too late, okay? You can still register. The link is in the description below, okay? Get yourself registered. Start the challenge, get in there, and then you also get your 30-day trial to the membership, all right? When you're taking your trial, you'll be able to get in there and take a look around, see what's in there available for you. All the different courses that are available. I've gone over extensively all the different courses that are available inside the membership area. But while you're doing this challenge, you want to be there live to be able to get in there and see what these mentors have to say, listen to their Q&A and what they have to say. If you can't make it live, the recordings will be available to you. You just want to get in there. It's $1, all right? $1 to get in there to listen to people that are doing really well online and that you're going to be able to learn from them on a daily basis while we go through this challenge. So I want you to get signed up, start this challenge, start the challenge. It's going on through this week. And then you're going to be able to take this trial and go through the getting started and go through your daily mode of operation, right? You're going to come to the wake-up calls. You're going to come to the daily calls and learn from these people as we go through the rest of the month, all right? We want to get you prepared for 2022 so that when you start, you can start and you can run with it, right? You want to learn these methods and then take these methods into 2022 and really gain traction, right? Stop jumping from thing to thing, getting all confused, shiny object syndrome, info overload. What am I going to do, right? I got all these things coming at me and I just need to focus. And if you join this membership and you get focused, you stick with this membership, I'm going to be there for you and helping you along the way. All right. So I'm going to take you over to the deal page now where I could show you what you're going to get when you start this challenge. All right. We already did 2 days. Now we're going to start with day 3 tonight. It starts at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 8 p.m. Eastern. So you're going to be able to get in there and take advantage of the third day. All right. Hopefully I get this video uploaded in time so that you can get in there and start on day 3. But if you can't, then you're going to get at least 4, 5, and 6. All right. And then you'll be able to go back and check out those replays. Okay. So let's get on over to that page so I could show you more. All right. So here we are. This is the page. This is the page. This is the page for the challenge. This is where you're going to come and find out all of the details about the challenge, 5-day challenge, right? We're going to be here teaching you about how to make that money during the holidays. We got create quick cash flow in your business this holiday season. Live 5-day holiday cash flow challenge for quick sales and fast cash now to help you buy your kids the gifts they want, create massive impact, and enjoy a magical, stress-free, happy holiday season. Rare 5-day experience with 7 leaders to get the exact steps to take on social media this holiday season. Specific steps for the holidays to get people wanting to buy and join your products and opportunity over Christmas, Hanukkah, and the 2022 New Year, even if you're brand new. All right, so in my last video, I went onto this page and I went into detail about all the things that you get. So today I'm going to do a smaller, lighter version of what you're going to get so that you can just kind of come here after you watch this video and really review the page for yourself. It's self-explanatory and the challenge is only $1, okay? You're going to get that. So I'm going to go down here and show you what you get. All right? You got 5 days. Actually, it looks like they got 6 days. You got 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, and 9th. And they got 6 days. So instead of the 5-day challenge, they're making it 6 days. And you're going to finally get a system to make money in your business this holiday season and set yourself up with a wildly profitable 2022. Only 45 minutes per day over 5 days, plus access to all replays, 30 days of additional live coaching and support over the holidays, a complete marketing system to get results, and so much more. Okay, so the extra 30 days is the trial of the membership. That trial of the membership is going to get you daily coaching with these mentors on a daily basis. They come to you during the Monday through Friday. So I'm going to show you more about what we get on a daily basis. But we're going to do this 6-day challenge, right? Introducing your guides for your 5-day challenge. All right. Well, it looks like they're going to do 6 days now. So they got the first day is the owners of the company, Brian Finale and Norbert Orlowitz, over 60 million in online sales. We want to help you craft a marketing message that makes money this holiday season. Day 2, Kim Ward. All right. Top earner who makes a full-time living at leveraging Facebook groups and crushes it over the holiday season. Day 3, Stacy Hall, a top earner who guides her clients to north of 200 plus leads per curiosity post on social during the holidays. Day 4, Diane Hockman, a top earner who publishes lead generating content 24/7 over the holidays while hardly working at all. Day 5, Aaron Birch, a top earner who sponsors more people during the holiday season than most recruit in their entire careers. Lindsay Sewell, Day 6, a top earner who leverages reels and stories all holiday season long to create sales in her sleep. All right, so you're going to get these guys, these are people, top earners. These are people that are making good money online, okay? And then you got people like this, that 60 million in their career online. Okay, come on. Let's get real here. Let's really understand what you're going to get for $1. It's crazy. So you're going to come to this challenge. You're going to learn from them directly, and then you can start implementing, okay? So let's see what they have in this offer, what you're going to get when you join, okay? We got the weekly calls. On Mondays, they got the orientation. Tuesdays, they got funnel training. Wednesdays, they got the marketing webinar plus business building. On Thursdays, they got social media networking and prospecting. And then Fridays, they got the happy hour. And every day, they have a wake-up call in the morning, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right. Plus, they have a follow-up call live in the Facebook group. All right. So you're never left alone. You're always getting lots of training, and you're not going to feel like you're getting gypped here. What you're going to get, you get the live 5-day holiday cash flow challenge with 7 experts. You get limitless leads DMO training, done for you lead gen campaigns to get ready to buy leads so you can get sales, signups, reps, and rank advance fast in your company. You get 40 plus courses to get prospects in your business. Bonus, you get the success in MLM secrets. Bonus, prospecting and recruiting secrets. Bonus, prospecting stranger secrets. Then you get the customer relationship manager to help monetize all your new leads. You get live daily coaching from 6- and 7-figure network marketing top earners. Daily action steps to get 9+ interested prospects per day for your opportunity via social media for free. One-on-one 60-minute coaching session plus 3 quick start PDFs to get leads. Lifetime access to our 20,000 member Facebook group community for hands-on support to get your questions answered and get results. Plus, you get high converting, high paying MLSP affiliate program to create cash. Then you got the advanced features. When you are ready to upgrade and take your business to the next level, yes, this marketing system has everything you need to get leads and make more money in your business. You get the funnelizer to create personal branded funnels, and then you also get the business center to launch your own courses, team training site, and affiliate program. All right, so you get the funnelizer as a basic member, as in your trial, but it's a limited version. If you upgrade to the Pro or Premium, you get these other features, and then you're almost set to not have to buy anything else on the internet again. Okay? If you're sick and tired of the shiny object syndrome and just all these things that people are offering you on a daily basis, then you might want to consider getting into something like this, where you may only need to get your domain name and an email service provider, where those two things plus this package here, you have everything you need to succeed online. All right? So if you get involved in this and you stick around inside this membership, I'm going to help you out along the way, and I'm going to be there for you. I also have a bonus package that's available for you if you take advantage of this. It's a package of 12 courses that I have. If you stick around, if you go on the monthly, I'll hand out one course per month to you in this package. If you buy the annual, after your 30 days is up with your trial, if you buy the annual and the pro or premium, then I will gift you all those courses at once. All right? That's like over a $600 value. So I want to just incentivize you to think about this as the new home for your marketing endeavors, okay? This is where you're going to stay. This is where you're going to learn. This is where you're going to implement. This is where you're going to finally succeed online, all right? And I'm going to be there for you along with the other leaders. I'm going to be able to know that you joined this, and I'm going to be there. I'll contact you, and we can, have a one-on-one chat, and then we can see where you're at, and then we can go from there, okay? So consider this holiday cash flow challenge, all right? I'm going to be putting the link to this challenge in the description below. Learn more about what you're going to get. If you're already ready and psyched about it, then you can join right now. And remember, I'm also going to put a link to my leadership bundle, to the AppSumo deal, if you're interested in that as well. Otherwise, I look forward to hearing your comments in the section below. If you have any questions, let me know. And then you're going to skyrocket, and then you're going to join, and you're going to get involved in a community that cares for you and wants to help. All right? So thanks a lot for joining. Thanks a lot for listening in, and we'll see you in the next video.